It's that fun time of the week again where I'm joined by Dr. V from Oceanet. Good morning, and it looks like I might have to roll up my sleeves today. What do we have going on here with the different water?
It's an interesting experiment to show our sensing capabilities.
Right, your senses, very important.
And senses are relative.
Okay.
Right? So we'll explain later, but let's go through the experiment first.
Okay.
So I have here warm water.
This is warm water.
This is regular tap water.
Tap water right here.
And this is water with some ice in
Yeah,
it,
so
which
cold.
is really cold.
Gotcha.
So what I really want you to do, put your left hand here, put the right hand on the cold water.
Okay.
So one on the warm water, one on the
Literally,
cold water.
just put it on like that.
Just put it on like that. So
Okay.
just feel it a little bit more.
Okay.
So you feel, now you know that this is cold and this is warm.
And I have to say, it's a very unique sensation where you have kind of really cold water on this side and
right.
warm water on that side.
As the
In
next
fact,
step, what I really want you to do, I want you put your both hands together into the tap water.
into the tap water in the middle. Okay.
Then see what happens.
Right now, go ahead and do that.
Yeah, and then
Okay.
tell me which hand feels more warmer.
Wow. Okay.
What do you feel now?
My hand that was in the ice cold water is
Right.
actually almost not burning, but very warm sensation right now.
Right, so
But it's almost uncomfortable. In fact, I
Right.
just kind of get it. And my left hand's actually kind of cooler.
true. So basically what happens is that our senses are relative. So the sensing is always relative, it's not absolute. So, for instance, when you walk into a room with really smells,
Right.
after some time you get used to the whole
Oh,
smell,
yes, that
right?
makes sense.
So it's more relative. So the measurement is always related to the surrounding.
So
In this case, when you put your hand in the cold water, your hand became really cold, and then when you put in the warm water, the sensing that the temperature difference is really high. So you feel it related to your hand, which is really warm.
now my hand's been in here for a while, and actually the pain is kind of diminished a
Right.
little bit, and it's kind of
Right,
getting
right.
both normal. But it's really amazing the
After
contrast.
some time, you stabilize.
Right.
Right.
Wow. Okay, so it's all relative. Now, when you're dressing out for going out in the warm or cold weather and stuff, so it really makes a difference to bundle up certain parts.
It makes
and-
a big difference.
Well, again, a very cool experiment that you can do at home with very simple. And I have to say, when you have one hand in warm and one hand in cold,
Right.
it's shocking the amount of difference. And when you put it back in the middle there, wow, very
It's a
cool
big
experiment.
difference.
Very, very big difference. Always good to dress warm during this winter season, even if we're living in Hawaii. Again, thanks you for watching us here on Hawaii News Now and HawaiiNewsNow.com, where we're gonna have all the info on this weird science experiment. Very cool, Dr. V.
you.
I gotta try that again.